storage containers have always been a pain to use. You can never find the right lid that actually fits. And everyone is sick and tired of rustling with plastic wrap. That never works out the way you want. And tinfoil, that's just cash in the trash. Well, the alternative is finally here. The Super Stretch Lids, brought to you from Shop Beyond Limits. The all-new amazing silicone lids that will stretch up to 3 times its size to fit almost any container. All you do is stretch and press down for a perfect seal every time. The Super Stretch Lids is perfect for leftovers. Just stretch and press, and no more guessing. You can now see your food in the refrigerator and know exactly what it is. The Super Stretch Lids are see-through and are made with a 100% food-grade silicone seal. The Super Stretch Lids will always return to their original size, making it easy to clean and easy to store, allowing you to use them thousands of times. The food-grade silicone allows you to even reheat in the microwave. The airtight, watertight seal with Super Stretch Lids allows for food to stay fresher and last longer. Watch this amazing test as the Super Stretch Lid holds and seals over a gallon of water in this glass cylinder, being excessively shaken. They are washable and reusable, and even dishwasher safe. So stop all your storage struggles now and replace all of this. With 6 different sizes, there's a perfect Super Stretch Lid.